everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Peachy Girl CaliWorld, aka Coco, and I am a Poshmark, MERCARI, eBay, sometimes Amazon seller. I resell new attacks things, I resell thrifted goods. When things are moving slow, my personal closet sells pretty fast, so whatever I can get my hands on, home decor, supplies, whatever you can think of, I've probably sold that category. It's like wild. And today we're here to talk about a Poshmark update. So there's been a lot of talk in the Poshmark community about automation, so like bots, so sharing your closet automatically. In the Poshmark terms and services, they vehemently state that it's not allowed. So for years, apparently, people have been doing it. I'm sorry, I wasn't digging in my ear. I'm like doing this, but even if I was digging in my ear, not a problem. Anyways, for years, people have been doing it unbeknownst to me, and it helps you automate your closet. So let me backtrack a little bit. And just in transparency, I've done this video like 3 or 4 different times. So I'm trying to stay perky and stay happy, but it's just like, I've repeated this information a lot, but I'm going to do my best. So one of the factors in keeping your Poshmark closet active and moving is sharing your items. So that's literally clicking the item or clicking the share button, confirming you want to share. And that's for every single item. That's how it used to be. And that was just time consuming. It was time consuming. It was boring. It was just all these things. For me personally, the first time I got into, and I realized, okay, my time would be better spent outsourcing this work to someone else, I hired someone on Fiverr, and they were manually sharing 3 times a day, which I appreciated. Then I found a Poshmark reseller who was like, oh, I'll do that, and I'll share more often, and I'll only charge you $20 a month. The other person who was manually sharing was charging me $50, and I was like, okay, yeah, sure. You have to be reputable. You're a Poshmark seller also. You know, you said you could do it. Turns out she was using a bot. So when the big crash of 2020 or early 2020 happened when Poshmark, updated their servers and their coding, and all of a sudden everyone's sharing stopped. My sharing also stopped, and I was like, why did my sharing stop? It turns out she was using a bot. She didn't want to admit it, but it turns out she was using a bot. So after that, I was like, what am I going to do? Because I don't want her to have my login details and information. I don't want to pay $50 a month. Like, what am I going to do? And I heard from another reseller, Voyage's Verb. She was talking about different bots and automations and like building your business. And she mentioned Posher VA. And I was like, okay, let me look into it. So I did the trial. And during that trial, I made like a lot of money, like hundreds of dollars, not thousands, but definitely hundreds of dollars through their sharing, their offers to likers, their price dropping, all that good stuff. So I was sold. I was like, okay, I think it's worth the risk. I think it's worth the risk of possibly having my closet shut down, especially since I sell on other platforms, to make this money. And honestly, it's not just me making this money. We're Poshmark employees. Poshmark gets 20% of every sale, whether it's $5 sale, a $10 sale, $1,000 sale, $5,000 sale. They get an automatic 20% off the top, more than, some other things. So, yeah, I'm just going to show you the new automation tool. The video, I've already done it. So let's just go see. Peachy Girl CaliWorld Closet. This is not a part of Poshmark. This is part of a sharing tool that I did previously use. So I'm going to show you. Let's go right into it. I have skirts, shoes, summer wear, shirts, shorts, tops, bottoms, everything in between, home decor, hair care, skin care, like everything that we're allowed to sell, I sell all the categories. I'm not just clothing or just home decor or just women's wear. There's menswear, all the good things. So let's go back to the top. Here is the new sharing tool. It looks like a ruler and a wrench in the form of an X. So once you click it, you'll see usually 3 options. You'll see share to followers, make offer to likers, and edit listing price. Semicolon, however, comma, because it is Posh Party time, you see 4 options, which is this. So I'm going to click share to followers. And once I click share to followers, Poshmark shows you all the same things in the same order. And you get these little nifty boxes. And you get to click the items you want shared. Typically for me, I try to go by seasonal things, or if I have brand new items that I've just added, the SpongeBob toy, SpongeGar. If you're a SpongeBob fan, you know what that is. I just added that. I try to go by likes as well as mix it in. So some menswear, some hair care, just like all the categories. And right now we're in June, so just trying to think about summer coming up and stuff like that. So let's see if we can get up to 25 listings for us to reshare. And then we'll show you the process of how that's going. And so I can also just like click through just like this, and this gives you also an overview of what my closet looks like. Again, I'm not one of those sellers that's like, I'm only going to sell women's wear, I'm only going to sell menswear. I prefer to keep it as a good mix, because you don't want someone to come to your closet, see women's stuff, and they leave, and like you go further down and there's your menswear, or see, oh, they only have home decor stuff, and leave. So I like to keep it a good mix. So right here, 25 listings selected. We're going to click share to followers, and Poshmark will automatically start sharing the listings. So that's right. All the automation that people were paying for, all the click one by one, those days are gone. And right now, Poshmark has not said anything about charging for this service just yet. They are still in the beta or trial phase. So let's see. Once we scroll down, we see that all of these items here that I selected are now at the top. Those 25 items are at the top. Okay, so if you reached this part of the video, you've seen how the share tool works. So I want to know, a lot of people don't want to tell if they're currently using bots or not. If you saw my little square, you know how I feel about it. So I want to know, do you like the Poshmark sharing tool? Have you received the update yet? I know some people haven't even received the update. So you can let me know, like, oh, I don't even have access to this yet, or yes, it's working great for me. I know another reseller, who is it? Ashley G on Posh. She's really cool, really nice. She was saying she was encouraging it on Instagram. She was like, you guys, this Poshmark reseller tool is amazing. Like I've gotten like 3 sales. I think she said after she used it, she got like 3 sales automatically, and I was like, that's dope. So yeah, I'm excited about it. Today is my first day using it, and I was like, I gotta get a video out. So let me know. Please like, comment, subscribe. I can't promise that I'll be putting out weekly videos, but I can let you know that I will try my best to keep you guys updated when things like this happen. Like I said, I'm not supposed to be on camera right now or anything. I'm not supposed to be doing this, but I was like, you know what? This is a big update. I have to come talk to people. So yeah, it was nice to see you guys. Thanks for stopping by. I don't know if you noticed the new pineapples. You can't see it fully. It's a whole thing. It's a whole thing right now I'm trying out. So yeah, once I have my setup together, I'll see you guys again, hopefully. If not, that's fine too. You can like, you can comment, share, subscribe. Again, you can find me at PEACHYGIRLCALIWORLD. That's on Instagram. On Poshmark, it's PEACHYWORLD. On MERCARI, also PEACHYGIRLCALIWORLD. Okay, bye.